Here's how to fix blurry stories on Instagram. Now swipe down from the top right and toggle on airplane mode on your iPhone or Android. Now wait a little bit and toggle it back off to disconnect and reconnect to the internet and see if that fixes it. If it doesn't, let's head into the App Store or the Google Play Store and tap on search, and we're going to search for Instagram here. And if there is an update, just tap on the update button right next to it to get the latest version. A lot of times that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, open up the Instagram app here and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the very top right to get to your settings. And from here, all you need to do is scroll down until you find the option towards the bottom that says media quality under your app and media. From here, you want to turn on upload at the highest quality. So make sure you're uploading the highest quality on Instagram, but also go into the settings here of your phone and then scroll down, tap on camera. And on here, make sure everything is at the highest standard as well. For instance, recording video, you want this at 4K, or if you're taking photos, you want it at ProRes or the highest resolution.